This is very similar to the recipe we did with the ground turkey, but it has some other twists. So keep on watching and let me know if you guys like it. And I will be linking the other recipe in the description box. Let me know if you guys have any questions. And I'm going to be putting this in my chopper, or just dice it thinly if you don't use a chopper for some reason. We do not need oils in the pan. And we're going to just simmer this for 2 minutes. It doesn't really need that much time. We're just going to use spatula to kind of flatten it and move it around. It's been a couple of minutes and we're going to begin placing our ground beef. I always use 93% lean ground beef. It is better, you know, the less fat, for me at least, the better. We're going to place all of it and all of it in here. This is 3 pounds of ground beef. You do not need to cover it. It's just come back, you know, every 2-3 minutes and flip it over, kind of separate the meat. That's really all you need to do. Okay, it's been a couple of minutes. I'm going to flip this over and you will see that on the other side it's already cooking. Just make sure that you cook well. Make sure you cook the meat well. All of the meat has to be brown color. And I could tell you, oh, cook for 15 minutes on medium heat, but your medium heat may not be my medium heat. So you just have to, you know, look at it and make sure that all of the meat is brown color, just like this. Okay, so at this point, this is almost ready. I still can see, you know, pink color here and there, but we're going to be using this seasoning. This one is original Taco Bell seasoning inside the meat and mix it up. Salt to taste, how much ever you really need is fine. You can serve it on a piece of keto-friendly bread. You can serve it on a salad if you want to just sprinkle it. You can also get melted cheese, which I don't eat it because it's high in fats and calories, but you could once in a while get a melted cheese, heat it up in the microwave, put the ground beef inside, and eat it with keto-friendly chips, or if you don't really care about carbs, you can eat it with chips. I will have all the information in the description box below. Let me know if you have any questions. And let's take a look at the beef and follow and like my videos. See you guys next time.